Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of seconds ago I set here on my fingerprint to this fingerprint scanner. I'll show you that. As you can see, I can just unblock the device with my fingerprint. So in this test I'll show you how fast is the fingerprint scanner on this device and if this method of unlock is useful. So I'll make like a couple of times to unblock the device. I'll just tries, like 5 or 6 tries, and we'll see the difference between of each unblock try. So let's start it. I'll just smoothly tap on the fingerprint scanner. As can you see here, we got the scanner, and I'll just make by this way, hop. So hop, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see that just to unblock the device with the fingerprint, I don't know, maybe less than 1 second. Hop. 1. I think that's fast and useful feature for this device. So if you like some methods to unlock your device, not the PIN or password, like the face recognition or the fingerprint, I suggest you to use the fingerprint method here on the SONY Xperia XZ2 because that's work really fast. Just I think in 1 second we can unblock our device. And so thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.